See, find the area of shaded region in 12.20 if the radii of two concentric circles with the center O are 7 and 14 centimeter. Now these are concentric circles. Concentric circles mean which have the same center but different radii. Here if you take here two sectors are formed. This highlighting with the red pen, OAD sector, and I will be highlighting with the blue pen this OAD bigger sector. So this shaded area we have to find out. So this shaded area is equal to bigger sector area minus smaller sector area. Bigger sector blue and here, and smaller sector green color I will take here. So this blue, and if we subtract here smaller sector, here radius is given. This radius is equal to 7 centimeter. This is bigger sector radius, that is 14 centimeter. So shaded area is equal to bigger sector area minus smaller sector area. Bigger sector area is equal to, what is bigger sector? OAC sector minus OBD sector. Okay, here angle is given. Angle subtended at the center is 40 degrees. Theta is equal to 40 degrees. Now, let us take formula. Pi r square. Theta 1 we will be take theta same है दोनों में. Bigger sector का r1 square, r1 लेंगे radius. This is r1 and we let us take r2. P r1 square upon 360 minus pi r2 square theta upon 360. Theta is same because this angle subtended at the center is same. Now here we have to take 22 upon 7 pi. Let us take pi and theta upon 360 is common. So what is left here? R square minus R2 square. So 22 upon 7 into 40 upon 360. R1 square is equal to 14 square minus 7 square. So 22 upon 7 into 40 upon 360. A plus B, 14 plus 7, A square minus 14 square minus 7 square. This is A square minus B square form में. A plus B and A minus B. So I am taking A plus B and A minus B. So 22 upon 7 into 40 upon 360, 21 into 7. 7 cancel, 0 cancel. 4 9s are 2, 3 3s are 3 7s are. So what is left over? 154 upon 3 centimeter square is the area of the shaded area. Centimeter square. Okay, now next 12 point. Now next problem second. Square is given here. This is one semicircle, this is one semicircle. This shaded area we have to find out. This shaded 12.21, third problem. Here side of the square is given as, now this is given as A, B, C and D. And this point is P. So now total square is equal to, side of the square is equal to 14 centimeters, and APD and this APD and BPD, they are the semicircle. शेडेड एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है हमको. तो कैसे करने का? हियर स्क्वेयर, एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वेयर, हाउ वी विल बी गेटिंग द एरिया हियर? एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वेयर minus area of the two semicircles. Okay, now this is total length is equal to side of the square BC is equal to 14 centimeters. Side also equal to the diameter of semicircle, because this is the diameter. So radius of semicircle will be 14 upon 2, that is D upon 2 is equal to 7 centimeters. So here also shaded area is equal to area of square minus area of two semicircles. Area of square is 14 square minus area of two semicircle, एक सेमीसर्कल का पाई आर स्क्वेयर अपॉन 2, टू सेमीसर्कल्स का 2 इंटू दिस विल बी कैंसिल, 14 स्क्वेयर minus 22 upon 7, r square is 7 into 7, see 14 14s are 14 14s are here is 196 minus 154, 6 minus 4, 9 minus 5, 4. So what is the area of shaded area? What is the area of shaded region? 42 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ये स्क्वायर है, उसके अंदर दो सेमी सर्कल्स हैं, इसका दे दी है 14 सेंटीमीटर साइड. सो साइड जितना है सेमी सर्कल का डायमीटर भी उतना है. तो डायमीटर में से आप लोग रेडियस फाइंड आउट कर दिए. ये शेडेड एरिया का कैसे आएगी? स्क्वायर का एरिया माइनस 2 सेमी सर्कल का एरिया. सो साइड स्क्वायर माइनस 2 into pi r square upon 2. So we have got that area.